In Papua New Guinea, a bilum is more than something you carry. It's a story, a heartbeat, a memory you can hold in your hands. This one began with colors that spoke to me. The gold of morning light over the mountains, the green of fresh garden leaves, and the deep warmth of a fire at night. They weren't just threads, they were moments, waiting to be woven together. The first loops are always slow, quiet, like the opening chapter of a story. You're just starting to tell dot as each row grew. I could feel the pattern finding its voice, a rhythm passed down through generations, from the hands of mothers and aunties, to daughters and sisters, to me, here and now, hours passed, days even. Every stitch carried something with it. Patience, love, memories of markets filled with laughter, long walks along dusty roads, the sound of the sea, and the warmth of carrying a child close. And slowly, the bilum began to feel alive. When it was done, I saw more than a bag. I saw a piece of home, woven with care, ready to hold someone else's journey. Because in PNG, a bilum is never just made with your hands. It's made with your heart and the spirit of everyone who came before you. Every bilum carries a story. It could be yours, or it could be the story of someone you've never met. But wherever it goes, it carries a little piece of PNG with it, a reminder that we are all connected by the threads we share. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with friends and family. Let's keep the spirit of the bilum alive, one story at a time.